Dear viewers, with a profound feeling of gratitude, I wish to appreciate each and every one of us, especially our participants in the program, The Nature Way to Good Health. Your role in having and enjoying optimum health that will start in less than 24 hours from now. The primary essence for the program is to do within the limits of our ability, in whatever capacity we can, to educate and entertain people, showing us the easiest way to enjoy good health. Nature is a masterpiece, and it has provided us with virtually everything we need to have good health, to enjoy optimum health. The ball is in our court, and the choice is entirely ours. What we do with such options, such abundant blessings, is primarily our own making. But ignorance is not excused in law. Many of us are wallowing in ignorance, suffering in midst of plenty. Some blame others for their woes, while they are primarily responsible for their fate. As a healthcare practitioner, having tested so many parts and aspects of life, I believe that educating us more on the intimate and ultimate values of exploring some drugless approaches in our pursuit of good health will go a long way to make us healthy and cause us fulfill our callings in life. The program is designed to awaken our consciousness. It starts by asking us, who are we? Who are you as a person? What is the primary essence of your existence? Why are you here now? We will look at psychotherapy and belief system, knowing fully well that health begins with the mindset. As far to the extent a man can see, that's exactly what he can achieve. It was Napoleon Hill who said, whatsoever a man can conceive and believe, that he will achieve. Dale Carnegie and John Maxwell put up a poster before us that two people were behind prisons. One looked and saw stars, the other saw moths or bars. What do you see about your life? Why are you here and now? These questions and lots more will be addressed in the course of this training. We will look at the healing powers of the air, the healing powers of the sand, the healing power of sun and moon, the healing power of water. But most importantly, we will probe to know our role in the cosmic of life. We are here for a purpose, and until we know that purpose, we may live a wasted life. Thank you for being a part of this program. Having chosen to participate in this training will be one of the best decisions you've taken in the year 2023. And I believe that you will not regret that you indeed. Welcome, feel relaxed, and enjoy the training. Thank you.